11 Foolproof ZZ Plant Care Methods for Low Winter Light that Actually Work. Caring for your ZZ plant in the low light conditions of winter doesn't have to be a challenge. These hardy plants thrive with minimal fuss. But a few strategic tips can ensure they stay vibrant and healthy, even when the days grow short. By understanding their unique needs, you can help them survive and thrive. With a little extra attention, your ZZ plant can be a source of greenery and joy all winter. 1. Understand the ZZ plant's resilient. The ZZ plant, short for Zamioculcas zamiofolia, is known for its ability to survive in low light conditions, making it perfect for winter months. This plant's unique ability to store water in its rise zones allows it to go for weeks without needing a drink. It thrives on minimal care, so even beginners can easily manage its upkeep. However, while it is resilient, ensuring a consistent environment will help it maintain its beauty. Remember, even the hardiest plants need some love to look their best. To position it near indirect light. While the ZZ plant tolerates low light, it greatly benefits from some indirect natural light. Placing it near an east or north-facing window allows it to soak up soft daylight without exposure to harsh rays. Direct sunlight can damage delicate leaves, especially in winter, so avoid south-facing windows. A small artificial grow light can work wonders if your home lacks sufficient natural light. 3. Water sparingly. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes made during winter. The ZZ plant prefers its soil to dry completely between waterings to prevent root rot. Before watering, always check the top 2 inches of soil with your finger to ensure it's completely dry. The plant requires less water in colder months due to its slower growth and dormant phase. This careful approach will protect your plant from overhydration and keep it healthy. Use well-draining soil. A proper soil mix is essential for your ZZ plant's health during winter. Opt for a well-draining potting mix that prevents water from pooling around the roots. Adding components like perlite or sand to the soil can improve drainage and aeration. Healthy soil ensures the plant's roots have access to air while avoiding excess moisture. With this precaution, you will create the ideal environment for your ZZ plant's dormant season. 5. Maintain a steady room temperature. ZZ plants thrive in indoor temperatures ranging from 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. During winter, it's important to shield the plant from drafts, radiators, and heating vents, which can create unfavorable conditions. Fluctuating temperatures can stress the plant and cause its leaves to yellow or drop. Keeping your plant in a consistent, warm environment is key to winter health. 6. Avoid fertilizing in winter. ZZ plants naturally enter a dormant phase in winter, which is not the time for feeding. Fertilizing during this period can overwhelm the plant and potentially cause root burn. Instead, save fertilizers for spring and summer, when the plant resumes active growth. During dormancy, the plant requires only basic care and stable conditions. This seasonal rest is essential for its overall well-being and prepares it for a growth surge in warmer months. 7. Wipe down the leaves. Dust can accumulate on the ZZ plant's leaves, especially during winter, when indoor air is drier. This layer of dust can block light absorption and hinder the plant's photosynthesis. Use a damp cloth to gently wipe each leaf every few weeks to maintain its shine and functionality. Clean leaves enhance the plant's appearance and boost its ability to thrive. Keeping them dust-free is an easy way to support your plant's health. 8. Rotate the plant regularly. Rotating your ZZ plant every few weeks ensures even exposure to light. The plant may grow unevenly without rotation, leaning towards its light source. A quarter turn every 2 weeks can promote balanced growth and maintain its symmetrical appearance. This small habit makes a big difference, especially in low-light environments. The balanced light distribution supports the plant's overall health and stability. 9. Avoid overcrowding the pot. A root-bound ZZ plant can struggle to access nutrients and water effectively. If you notice roots peeking out from the drainage holes or soil surface, it's time to consider repotting. Choose a pot slightly larger than the current one to give the roots room to grow fresh soil during repotting. Improves nutrient availability and supports healthy growth. 10. Monitor for pests. Even though ZZ plants are resilient, winter's endure conditions can sometimes invite pests, like spider mites or mealybugs. Regularly inspect the leaves and stems for signs of infestation, such as small webs or sticky spots. At the first sign of pests, treat the plant with neem oil or insecticidal soap to prevent the problem from spreading. Early intervention is crucial to keeping your plant pest-free. 11. Respect the dormant phase. Winter is a time of rest for ZZ plants, and expecting rapid growth during this phase is unrealistic. The plant conserves its energy to survive colder, darker months. Embrace this dormancy and focus on simple, effective care like watering sparingly and ensuring a stable environment. Come spring, your ZZ plant will reward you with renewed growth and vitality. Winter care success when you follow these steps. Caring for a ZZ plant in low winter light is simple. Provide indirect light and water sparingly. Maintain stable temperatures and avoid over-fertilizing. Clean leaves and balanced light exposure further boost the plant's health. Respecting the plant's dormancy ensures it rests and prepares for active growth in the spring. With these foolproof methods, your ZZ plant will remain a stunning, low-maintenance feature in your home all winter.